Good morning, guys. Today I woke up with a toothache. Oh, look at me. And my cheek is swollen. So I did have to schedule a dentist appointment, but it's all good. I just have to wait until that day comes. I am going shopping with my friend today, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize with my cocoa butter stick as I always do. Today we are doing a top bun, so I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair with some mousse and water mixed together so that it can be crispy but still leave my curls fluffy. Y'all know I struggle with this top bun, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the best I can. Okay, now that those edges and that top bun is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and get into this makeup look. I've already did my eyebrows off camera because just like every other YouTuber says, it takes way too long to do eyebrows on camera. I'm going in right now with my primer, and it's just a little cheap e.l.f. primer, nothing special. Okay, so today I am going to do a fancy eyeshadow look, so I'm going to use eyelid eyeshadow primer. It's by Wet n Wild, some Fergie brand. I just picked it up out of Walmart a while ago, and I'm finally using it because I'm going to do a fancy eyeshadow. And I want the colors to be vibrant. I've been seeing this look on YouTube. I've been seeing a lot. I think I seen Jackie Anya do these looks, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy her. That's the primer that I use. Like I said, got it from Walmart, nothing special. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this look that I seen on YouTube and go with that. Okay, so I first went in with a purple color and now I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to copy and go in with the purple color on the other eyelid and blend it out as well. Now I'm just going in with a deeper purple and I'm going to blend that out on both eyelids. Now I'm going in with the blue and I'm just going to put that below the deep purple. Now I'm just going in and cut creasing. I'm just using a LA Girl Pro Concealer that they have, everybody uses, that we get from the hair store, or now they sell it everywhere now. So I'm just going ahead and using that to cut the crease. Not really good at cutting crease, but you know, you got to start somewhere. So y'all just work with me. Over that cut crease, I am going to use this turquoise sea blue and just pack that right on the eyelid. Okay, so to have like a seamless cut crease, I am taking that darker blue that I put on the lid before I cut crease, and I'm just going in at the top of the cut crease and placing it there so that it can blend out a little bit better. At this part, I am just using silver and just placing it in the middle of the eyelid. Now I'm just going to go in with my foundation, which is Fenty Beauty, and just finish the look up. Y'all know I usually do not do this little contour thing with the highlighter. I usually just use my powder, but since I was doing a fancy eyeshadow look, I figured I'd just go ahead and do the whole 9 yards. So that's what I did. It came out good, but it just adds so much time. That's why I don't usually highlight under my eyes and in those highlight areas, but it did come out good. And I did use the match stick from Fenty Beauty in the color Suede. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some glow to my face. Lashes done as I'm running my mouth, talking to whoever I'm talking to on the phone. Okay, so now I'm just going ahead and adding some lipstick. I really do not like lipstick, but I felt like this look deserves some lipstick, and I did go ahead and go in with like a magenta purple color, the same color eyeshadow that I used at the base of the eyeshadow look, at the top of the eyeshadow look, excuse me. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set it with my setting spray. Since I am going out into the world today, I know it's hot, so I gotta set that makeup. And this turned out so damn cute, if I must say so myself. I am I'm gonna say not beginner, but intermediate, if that's the word I'm looking for. I'm just like in the middle, kind of seasoned. So it did come out good, if I say so myself. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little wrap off. Look at my edges, they laid, yes, they laid to the gods. Okay, so I just threw on this silk royal blue shirt, and it looked so cute with my makeup. I was so cute that day. I am going to go ahead and insert a clip for you guys so you can see my whole outfit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready with me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back with another one soon. Thanks for watching.